Hey there, it's Phoebe, and today I am going to play God Rest You Merry Gentlemen on my banjo through my gaming headset mic because it distorts the audio in a really cool, weird way. It takes the nice, warm sound of the banjo and makes it all cold and shivery. It sounds like if you had too much coffee and then went outside for too long and you come inside and your voice is all quavery. That's what it sounds like to me. So I'm gonna play this Christmas song on the banjo through my headset. If there's a weird buzzing noise in the background, I don't know how to get rid of that. When the point of the video is using a bad mic, there's only so much I can do. But I'm gonna play it a few different ways. I'll play it slow, I'll play it fast, I'll do some variations, and ooh, the lighting's bad. Anyway, let me know which one sounds coolest to you after you've heard them all. Let me try to turn that on. Oh, that helped some. Okay, here we go. Gotta get the mic close enough. This is great posture. Alrighty, there you have it. Which one sounded best? I'm interested to listen back. I don't know which one sounds best myself. Yeah. That's all for now. Merry Christmas time. Hope it's going well for you, and I'll see you for your next dose of banjo. Goodbye.